So let's talk about the moving Earth. There was a lot of controversy when scientists first said the Earth was moving. Because here was what people said. If the Earth is moving, and you have a bird in the tree, and it sees a worm on the ground. My bird is better than my worm, I know, I'm sorry. You have a worm on the ground, and the bird sees the worm and wants to fly down to get it. So he flies off the branch. By the time he gets there, the worm won't be there anymore. Because the Earth is moving at 107,000 kilometers per hour. That's 30 kilometers every second. And if it even took him a half a second to get down there, that bird is now 15 kilometers away. So how can that be? And what we have discovered is that, yes, we are moving at 107,000 kilometers per second. I'm sorry, 107,000 kilometers per hour. The tree is moving. The Earth is moving. The air is moving. Everything is moving. So all of it moves at the same speed, and they all move together. So yeah, the Earth is in motion, and it is in motion pretty fast. But since we're all in motion, it sometimes seems like things aren't moving at all. Objects move with the Earth. We know Newton's law says an object in motion is going to remain in motion if there's no unbalanced forces. But objects move with the Earth. Otherwise, if this were you, and this was a wall, and it was moving at 107,000 kilometers per hour, and you jumped, that wall would smack right into you, wouldn't it? You jump, you're no longer on the Earth, boom, you get smacked by the wall. But that doesn't happen. And the reason it doesn't happen is because you're moving, the air's moving, the Earth's moving, the wall's moving, and you're all moving at the same speed. And if you're all moving at the same speed, you don't even notice that you're moving. Let me give you an example. Let's talk about you're in a vehicle. So let's picture you're in a plane. Okay? You know you can feel when that plane takes off. You're pushed back in your seat. You're at an angle. You can feel that on your body. But at some point, you don't feel that you're moving anymore. You are 300, 400, 500 miles per hour. You're moving, but you don't feel like you're moving. Why then can a flight attendant pour coffee or pour a Coke into a cup? If it's moving at 350, 400 miles an hour, how can they do that? Because the plane's moving, the air in the plane is moving, the Coke is moving, the cup is moving, the flight attendant is moving. Everything's moving at the same speed, so it doesn't seem like they're moving at all. Try this. Next time you're in a moving vehicle, not one that's speeding up or slowing down or changing directions, but one that's at a constant speed, flip a coin. You're moving at that speed, the vehicle's moving at that speed, the seats, the coin, the air, everything's moving at that speed. You flip a coin, you ought to be able to catch it, if you're any good at flipping coins and catching coins, that is. Okay? So try that, and you'll see that everything moves together, and it all moves at the same speed. When the car slows down, and is now going at a slower constant speed, try it again. If a car speeds up, wait till it's at a constant speed, which you don't feel it on your body at all. Try it again. You should find that you can flip a coin in a moving car and catch it if you're any good at catching flipped coins, that is.